Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Mr. D and today I'm going to show you how to use the pottery wheel to make a mug and to make a cup. The first step, of course, is to center the clay, to insert your thumb in the middle, to open and to pull the clay up. This first project we are going to be working with is going to be the mug. So the process is just to open the clay and bring straight up in the way that you would do a bowl, but we want to be taller and skinnier. So I'm just going to pull the clay up. At this point I'm going to trim. If the top start getting too wobbly, the best thing to do, of course, is to trim. Once I do my trim, I'm going to clean up on the outside to get the excess clay off and out of the way. And from this point on, I'm just going to work on smoothing the clay. Once I get the height that I want, I'm just going to smooth the top and remove the excess clay from the outside so it has a nice footing. And then I'm going to slice and put it on a side to dry. With my first mug out of the way, I'm just going to get another ball of clay and move on to make my teacup. There you go. I'm just going to give this bowl some height, and I'm going to trim the difference on top because it looks uneven. And now I'm using my sponge. I'm just going to smooth the top to make sure that it doesn't have any sharp edges, and putting pressure from the inside, I'm going to curve the bowl to make the teacup shape. Using my sponge to remove some of that excess water inside of the bowl. And once I'm done, I'm just going to trim and move on to make handles. And now all I gotta do is attach the handle and I'm done.